Consequently, users cannot log into Microsoft Teams app when the application throws up this error. Now, if you also have the same problem, here's how you can fix it. Now, if you're utilizing a Microsoft work or school account, we recommend you to disconnect from it on your PC. So disconnect it by opening Settings, click Accounts, click Access Work or School, then click your listed work or school account to access the Disconnect This Account option. Press Disconnect option, then click Yes. Then, try utilizing the Microsoft Teams app with that account disconnected. Another method you can try to do is to run Teams in compatibility mode. Just open File Explorer, bring up this directory, right-click on the msteams.exe file, and then select Properties. Now you have to select Compatibility. Click Run this program in Compatibility Mode 4. To activate the drop-down menu, select the Windows 8 option, then click Apply to save the new compatibility setting. Lastly, run the compatibility troubleshooting for MS Teams. Do it by opening Compatibility tab, run Compatibility Troubleshooter option in that tab, click Try the recommended settings option, select the Test the Program option, then try logging into your account within the Teams app from there. Then, click Next. Then you can select Yes, save the settings, or you can also select No, try again, depending on the test outcome. Now you just have to remember that selecting No will bring up further troubleshooting options if needed. So those are the following ways on how you can fix Microsoft Teams error code in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.